Updating your primary email on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and linked to your account. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Manage Emails. This section will display your current email addresses linked to your Zelle account. Step 4. Update your primary email. Choose the option to edit or update your primary email. Enter the new email address you wish to use and confirm it by re-entering the address if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily update your primary email on Zelle. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages to ensure the changes have been successfully applied.